Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glucose meter is probably one of the most crucial tools for managing diabetes effectively, offering individuals the power to monitor their blood sugar levels with precision and consistency, thereby enabling informed decisions about diet, exercise, and medication to maintain optimal health and prevent complications, truly empowering users to take control of their well-being every single day. Number 5. FITINDEX Smart Scale. Introducing the smart way to monitor your health. This innovative scale provides accurate body weight measurements, helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. Investing in your health is now easier. This device is FSA and HSA eligible, making it a convenient and accessible choice for your wellness journey. Go beyond just weight. It measures crucial metrics like BMI, body fat, and muscle mass, giving you a deeper understanding of your body's composition. Get a complete picture of your health with 13 essential body composition analyses. It provides detailed insights to help you optimize your fitness and wellness routine. Easily track your progress over time. This smart device connects via Bluetooth, syncing all your data directly to its companion app for convenient monitoring and analysis. Designed for your modern bathroom, it offers a sleek look and supports up to 400 pounds. Its digital display ensures clear readings every time. What we like? This smart scale offers comprehensive body composition analysis, going beyond just weight. It tracks 13 different metrics and seamlessly syncs with an app for easy monitoring. If you are looking for a holistic view of your health and fitness progress, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 4. CareSens N Plus Bluetooth Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the CareSens N Plus Bluetooth Glucose Monitor Kit. This comprehensive starter kit provides everything you need for convenient blood sugar testing, including the meter, strips, lancets, and a travel case. It's designed to make managing your diabetes simpler and more affordable. Experience virtually painless testing with this device. It requires only a tiny 0.5 ml blood sample, making finger pricking easy and comfortable. Plus, its test strips are auto-coded for hassle-free use. Read your results with ease on its large, rounded LCD display. This meter features a modern, ergonomic design that's not only stylish but also ensures clear readability. It's built for your comfort and convenience. Get started right away, as it comes with pre-installed batteries for immediate use. This monitor delivers fast and accurate blood sugar results in just 5 seconds. You can test quickly and efficiently, wherever you are. Connect this device to the SmartLog mobile application to effortlessly monitor your blood sugar levels. The app offers various features to help you manage your health more effectively. Take control of your diabetes with smart technology. What we like? This kit provides convenient Bluetooth connectivity to track your blood sugar levels on a mobile app. It requires only a tiny blood sample and delivers results in just 5 seconds, making testing quick and less painful. If you value modern connectivity and quick, comfortable testing, this device is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 3. Sinocare Blood Pressure Monitor Upper Arm. Checking your blood pressure has never been simpler. With just one button, you can get clear, accurate readings displayed on its large 3.6-inch screen. No complicated setup is required. Trust in every measurement. This device provides clinically comparable results with high precision for both cuff pressure and pulse rate. You can rely on it for consistent and accurate data every time. Stay powered up with ease. It offers 2 convenient power options: use 4 AAA batteries or connect via a Type-C charging port. This flexibility ensures you can monitor your health at home or on the go. Designed with you in mind, its adjustable cuff fits a wide range of arm sizes. It even detects incorrect posture and alerts you to irregular heartbeats, providing comprehensive insights into your health. Share the benefits with your loved ones. This monitor supports 2 user profiles, each storing up to 99 readings. It makes tracking and comparing historical data for the whole family incredibly easy. What we like? This blood pressure monitor is designed for shared use, supporting 2 user profiles with ample storage. It features an adjustable cuff that fits a wide range of arm sizes and offers flexible power options. If you need a reliable monitor for multiple family members with versatile power needs, this is a great option. What people say. Number 2. TRUENESS Blood Glucose Meter Bundle. Introducing the TRUENESS Blood Glucose Meter Bundle. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for confident and convenient blood sugar monitoring right at home. It includes the monitor, a case, test strips, lancets, and more. Get your blood glucose results quickly and reliably. This system delivers accurate readings in just 5 seconds, requiring only a tiny blood sample. It's designed to support effective diabetes management for both individuals and caregivers. Testing your blood sugar has never been easier. There's no coding required for setup, and its large buttons and clear LCD display make it simple to use. Even first-time testers will find it intuitive and straightforward. Keep a close eye on your health with advanced data tracking. This device stores up to 500 results and calculates averages over various periods. It also features before and after meal tagging and ketone test alerts to help you manage your diabetes effectively. Rely on a system that offers both value and dependability. Designed to work seamlessly with TRUENESS test strips, it comes from TRIVIDIA Health, a company with 40 years of experience. This ensures precise and affordable blood glucose monitoring. What we like? This bundle offers a complete, ready-to-use solution for blood glucose testing right out of the box. It's incredibly easy to use with no coding required, and it stores up to 500 results for long-term tracking. If you prefer a straightforward, all-inclusive kit that simplifies your testing routine, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Metene TD 4116 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing an advanced diabetes testing kit designed for your peace of mind. It brings more accurate and reliable results, ensuring better control over your blood sugar. A control solution is even included to verify its performance. This monitor is incredibly easy to use with its code-free design. Just insert a strip, and it's ready for testing. A quick guide is provided, and support is always available for any questions. Get your blood glucose value quickly and comfortably. It requires only a tiny 0.7 microliter blood sample and delivers results in just 7 seconds. This minimizes wound size and makes testing less painful. Track your glucose values with 4 different modes, showing your trends more clearly. It stores up to 450 readings and calculates continuous averages for various periods. This provides convenient diabetes management for you and your health provider. This device is thoughtfully designed with the aged in mind. You can set 4 daily reminder alarms for timely tests, and its large display makes results easy to read. It ensures clear visibility for everyone. What we like? This monitor features a user-friendly code-free design, making it simple to start testing immediately. It includes 4 daily reminder alarms and a large display, specifically designed for easy readability. If you are looking for a hassle-free device with helpful reminders and clear results, especially for elderly users, this is a thoughtful choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.